Hello students, this is CA Pragnesh Kanabar over here, Senior Audit Faculty at CA Final and CA Interlevel. So, I am here to explain in short, if you are looking for CA Final Audit 100% English lectures, what are the options available with us? Okay, so now there are two possibilities, either you are looking for a regular course or you are looking for a fast track course. If you are looking for a regular course or fast track course, the further possibilities are that you are looking for live Zoom sessions with recorded backup, or you're looking completely for 100% pre-recorded lectures. All right. So as of now, for 100% English, all right, from 5th July till November 23 attempt, I do not have a regular course batch that is live, all right, and I do not have a fast track course batch which is live. So we have 100% pre-recorded lectures options. Sir, how old are these lectures? All the lectures were recorded in 2023 itself, somewhere in the range of February, March, April. All right. Sir, amendments for November 23, 100% covered. Do not worry about it. Sir, where can we buy these lectures? You can download our mobile app, you can subscribe through app, but for that, if you want to if you want to view the lectures through app, you will require internet. All right, it can be viewed on the mobile app as well as laptop both. However, if you want more flexibility, like you want to customize the validity and views, and accordingly you want to enroll at a reduced fees, all right, because the fees can range from 3,000 to 10,000, 11,000. Basically it varies, regular fast track views, validity, all of that. Then you can just check out our website www.theauditacademy.com, and you will get various options over there in the tab of audit lectures, and you can customize it accordingly. Demo lectures, for your convenience, it is there on the website also, but I will put it in this particular description. Sir, can you elaborate a little bit upon regular fast track? What is the best option? As of now, I feel the best option for you is fast track, because November 23 attempt is already loaded, all right, with lots of papers and lots of changes here and there. So they are already under tremendous pressure. But if you're going only for group 1, all right, or let us say your group 2 is cleared, or you are strategically trying to go for group 1, then you have ample amount of time, then you can go for a regular course. That is how I look at it. If you're going for both the groups, please go for fast track. If you're going for only one group and you have enough time, then go for regular course. Sir, you have written the duration over here. Fast track is around 85-90 hours, and regular course seems to be around 135 to 140 hours. So where is the difference? The difference lies in the coverage of I will not say coverage, in the notes style of standards on auditing. So in regular course, I've printed bare essays. I've covered the bare essays in fast track also. Let me tell you about. Let me be very clear about it. However, what happens is little bit trimming here and there is there. Then most of the time in regular course, we spend a lot of time in writing the notes. Most of these notes are pre-printed in fast track, and you have to just fill in the blanks and write few words. All right. So writing practice is there in fast track. Many professors are not able to give it. I'm trying to give writing practice also in fast track. And let me tell you, my fast track is not a crash course. It is the most comprehensive course in this country, running in the duration of 85 to 90 hours without any time pass over there. And all of these pre-recorded lectures are not studio recording. All right. Yes, I'm looking in front of the camera, but we are also taking Zoom sessions. All right. So I was getting live doubts and I've solved that. So you will really like it. It is not at all nonsense. It is completely full of sense and full of logic and full of interesting discussions. You can see the demo lectures and decide for yourself. All right. Students, when it comes to doubt solving, so we have WhatsApp doubt solving. We have almost thrice in a week Zoom sessions where you can get in touch with me. I like to stay in personal touch with the students. I like to interact with the students. Telegram groups are there for amendments and doubt solving support. All right. If you are already enrolled with me earlier for some course and you still want to again enroll for the courses, please get in touch with my team. We will try our level best to give you the concessions. If you are enrolled with other professors earlier and you want to get into the course, all right, we do not operate on a very high profit margin, let me tell you, but whatever is possible, we will try to do that. Okay. If you are worried about the big question, so what about May 24? I think you will clear in November 23, so don't worry about it. However, if you're still worried, at least I need to address this concern. Then in that case, you buy a course with longer validity. You buy a course with 12 months of validity, then obviously May 24 attempt gets covered in that. All right, and automatically the amendments also get covered. But let us keep those talks aside. I know you are going to clear it in November 23. So if you don't want to spend too much, you can go with a reduced validity and reduced views and customize your fees accordingly. And with little bit of fees also, you can go through the lectures. All right, I'm always there with you, beta. So please stay positive, fight back, and clear it in November 23. Thank you so much.